How's it going, everybody? If you're a content creator or thinking of starting your video making journey, I have for you some must-have gear you'll absolutely need to start. Let's start with the obvious, a camera. You gotta have a camera to capture video. So I have a few options here, starting with one we all have, a cell phone. Most phones today shoot in HD and even 4K quality, so there's really no excuse to not start shooting video. Other options include POV or action cameras, like this GoPro I have here. They're easy to use and they're actually pretty good for vlogging. Then you can move up to a DSLR, like this Canon 60D. I always say work with that which you can afford. It's important not what you have, but what you do with what you have. Next, we have the other half of the video watching experience, sound. You want to make sure to complement your videos with quality sound. That's definitely a must. I have a few options here to work with depending on what you intend to create, like this shotgun mic. It's a great video mic for run and gun shooting, and you can mount it right up to your camera to get some upgraded sound. Or if you're doing some interviews, we have the wireless lavalier microphone, like the one I'm using now. It's great for hiding the microphone in your shots. And if you're doing podcasts or something in the studio, a condenser mic like this newer NW800 is a great option that will not hurt the bank. Now let's move to lighting. Controlling light when shooting video really helps take your production to the next level. And nowadays, thanks to LED, there are plenty of affordable options we can work with. We can go with a portable video light like this RGB LED by iToten. It's great to pair on your camera to light your subject or even add some color to your scene, like this one I have behind me lighting up the background. Or step up to something larger for a key light, like the panel lighting me off camera. With these three pieces of equipment, you have the potential to create quality videos. All the equipment you see here, I've personally used, and I continue to use it in all my productions today. So check the description below for links to all of this and more to get you started making video. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, I'll catch you next time.